You don't have to panic if you don't have the right shade that your client is asking for. The trick is in knowing how to light it. Today we're going to talk about a hack that you can use that will really give you a huge variety of different shades to almost anything that they're going to need, all using the exact same backdrop. The trick here is lighting your subject and your backdrop separately and making sure that those lights interact as little as possible. For this shot, we've got a single key light that is gridded so that the light is only falling on me. Next, we have a light on either side of the backdrop that are also gridded. That way, that light falls on only the backdrop instead of on me. And lastly, we've got a bit of negative fill on this side of the camera just to give it a little bit more shadow, a little more depth, a little more zhuzh. If you can minimize the bleed between your subject lighting and your backdrop lighting, then you can adjust them individually and make sure that your subject is lit correctly and exposed correctly, and you can change whatever you need the backdrop to be. For example, that entire introduction was shot using the same key light for the subject and simply changing the brightness of the lights. We weren't messing with the color temperature, we weren't changing the hue, none of that, simply adjusting the brightness. And as you can see, we got like 50 shades of gray out of it. So if you have questions about how all of this pertains to your setup, your lights, what color backdrop you have, stop by, give us a call, send us an email. We'll be happy to talk through those options and make sure you get exactly what you need.